Everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can update the display name and reply to email address for command emails. So when you send an email through command, whether it's a smart plan, it's a one-off email through command, or it is a email campaign, no matter which option it is that you are sending through command, it goes through what's called your command email. And command emails are separate from your KW email. The reason they're separate is so that if your mailers, your email campaigns get reported as spam or something like that, it's not going to shut down your KW email. So they keep those separate just to protect that KW email, make sure you still retain access to it. So it's a little bit easier if they keep them separate. So with that, the command emails come from an email address that is agent with a small string of numbers at mailer.kw.com. And so with that, a lot of agents do want to make sure that the sender name is, showing up properly. It is displaying their name properly. And also with that, they want to change the reply to email, because when someone replies to a command email, it's going to send the reply over to whichever email you've set. So we want to check on those settings. So I'm signed into my command account here, which is agent.kw.com, signed in with my KW login credentials. I'm going to go over, I'm going to click my name in the top right corner, and I'm going to go down and click settings. Under settings, I'm going to scroll down on this applications page to the command email section, and I'm going to click manage. Now, when I do that, it's probably going to either make me log into command again. Yep, there it is. Give me just a second. Let me sign into command here. So if you haven't signed into command again anytime recently, it's considering this sensitive information, and so it may send a verification code to your email, your recovery email that you have on file to sign in. It may just send a verification code over to you. So I'm going to go ahead, we'll try this again. I'm going to scroll down, I'm going to click manage. Now it's probably going to ask me for another code here. So it will probably do that for you. You'll just go in, you'll enter your code again. Oh, that's the wrong code. Sorry, that's the one I just used. I'm going to backspace all of this. There we go. We'll go ahead and click verify code. Now, when you do that, it brings you back to your settings page once again, and I'm just going to go ahead and click manage one more time, and there we go. It allows us to access that. We're just going to go down to this email configuration section. Under sender name, we can update this however we want to. So we can make it Scott Leroy Marketing, oops, whichever we want. Now that's what it was, so I'm just going to leave it there. Then we can change our reply to email. If you click on this, it'll have a drop-down menu pop up. You can choose from your KW communications email, from your KW email, your recovery email, or you can add a custom email in there as well. So we can go in, you can change that to whatever you want. We can add that email in, and then it will just add it in as a new reply to email. It'll be in our options. We can go through and edit that or delete it or choose a different email through there. So I'll go back to our communications email and we will just save those changes. And that is how you would update that. If you have any questions or run into any snags with any of this, please feel free to reach out to us via email. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com. Hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.